All right. So I have low attention span, but I did stick with zombie games. Looky here. So we got a sick ass city. That's the environment. Got a fog around it. What this game is, you start in the first floor. All right. Okay. Spawn in this room. Dark as hell. But like, so you spawn here. There's three different entryways as of now. It's gonna be more in the future, of course. Basically, you spawn here. There's gonna be a cutscene that plays. It's trying to set the story up, set the scene. Survivors run into the building. Oh my god, they need to escape from the zombies. Then they hear in like this radio or some shit. Oh, you gotta go to the roof. You can like escape through a helicopter. Alright, sick. Now how to get there? So there's gonna be objectives on each floor. You gotta complete it in order to unlock the stairs. Let's go to the next floor. Holy shit, move. Alright. So these are the stairs. Look, they even got yellow lines so that they look like stairs. They are stairs, it's just dark as hell right now. Yeah, so you go up, kill zombies. You only get melee weapon, and then yeah, no range weapon yet. There's one, but it's kind of buggy. So these are gonna be boarded up. You're gonna get a repair hammer and just board this shit up, hella, so that no one gets inside. After that, get your ass up the stairs, go up, up. Each floor's the same. I'm honestly not that creative, so I just like fucking put it up. I don't know why I picked 5 floors. I just didn't want it to be like long of a playthrough. Let's get up here. Another one. It opens up. Yeah, the goal of the game is each floor is gonna have a bunch of valuables. You collect them, then you bring it up all the way to the roof. I'm just gonna skip it. The fuck. You go to the. All right, so I'm on the roof now. They're like, oh shit, I'm gonna escape. So then you go over here, you fire a flare. This is just the point. I made it so ugly right now, but it's fine. This is the part where you're just like, all right, let me fucking fire the flare up. Then a helicopter comes. You're like, oh shoot, I gotta hold out until it gets here. And then once you escape, it shows like a receipt. Yeah, like your most basic extraction survival game. All right, let's try it out. Try it out. Dude, I've been playing a shit ton of Guts and Black Powder. And I really like being a sapper, I like building shit. That's what they're. That's why I added boarding windows as a way to defend from the zombies. Yeah, here is just setting the scene, making sure. All right, here we go. See. All right, I don't know if anyone can read that fast. It's kind of crazy, but uh, I'll tune that. Here it's fucking dark as hell. You can't do anything yet until seconds pass. You can fix that too, but like it's fine. Here, get pick a weapon. I'm just gonna go with the freaking wood plank. No, it's worse stuff. There, see, moves. If you unequip it, it goes in your back. It's kind of whack though. Weirdly mapped. Take it. Melee. All right. So here, cash and jewelry. Take that shit up. Hmm. Valuables. What's over here? More valuables. Okay. Boom. Valuables. Can't take these yet. You need to let everyone else take it too. And then, all right, over here. We also got a repair hammer, but there are no zombies yet. So once that happens, then yeah. All right, let's get to the roof as fast as we can. What the fuck happened to my? I think I already did it. Did I do it? Lobby lockdown. Oh, see, look at that. It's getting damaged. Okay, all right. Now I gotta like chill out. I gotta kill him somehow. Okay, I did it. Corpse dash. Loot it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm already dead. Okay, well I need to tune that, but like, or maybe I'm just bad at the game. Well, yeah. So, so the padding's kind of dumb. They destroy the barrier. They kill me, right? But then they go straight to the next barrier. So I need to fix that. Um, but yeah, I like how it works. Basically, if there's a barrier in between the zombie and you, goes to the barrier obviously. But if there's none, then it'll go around you. That's the smart pathing that works right now. Let's do another run through. Try to get to the roof this time. I think it's open. I don't think the door works. Let me check if the door works actually. It should work. I don't know why it wouldn't. Yeah, okay, it doesn't work. What it does, you can just jump around it. Okay. Really? Why did I? Okay. Okay, let's just pick up a weapon and fix that too. Wood plank. Take that. What does it do? Jack shit. So what's happening right now in the beginning, you have time to defend, right? Gather your shit. Make sure you can move around. You're able to see what each weapon does or tool. I really need to map this. This is ridiculous. But yeah. Right now they're just like blocks put together. No textures, no colors. It's just like very basic right now. So you can tell with this freaking like what the hell is this? Just a bunch of colorful blocks. Alright, and then once that happens, until the zombies come in first, I'll here they come. Let's board this shit up before they get in. Board it up, heal it, board it up, board it up, board it up. Look at that, see? Notice how this boy ain't coming in at all? I don't think I can kill him through the wall, can I? I can. Oh shit, let me run. Okay, let me run. I'm be like, alright, yeah, screw you guys, I'm gonna go. Can we go up the stairs? They should be able to, but I don't think. Oh, they can't. Really? Why not? They go through the. Why is that? Okay, I need to fix that too. That's crazy. Alright, what happened? Oh, I got dropped lockdown. I could just go through, but I don't want to cheese the game, bro. It's my own game. Oh shit. Boom. Alright, go around like that. Little juke, and then open stairwell. Damn, it takes forever. Okay, let's go. Go up. Basically the same thing for all the floors up until you get to the top, and then just a signal of flare. Get picked up. I'm gonna make it so zombies can climb the building and then break through these doors too. There's hella zombies here. I need to actually just hurry the fuck up. Unlock cage. I'm gonna die. Okay. No, I'm dead. Is it too hard? No. I just need to add a way to set traps so you can stop them a little bit. But huh. Anyways, game's gonna look a lot better soon. I just got the core gameplay loop now. I'm bad at my own game. Obviously tuning needs to be done. So yeah, anyways, that's where I'm at now. Game's called No Way Down. Started this like what, a couple weeks ago. I just barely got back on it. Did a lot of work. Still needs a lot of work. Like over here, they put a hatch instead of a floating door. But I just did it to match other floors for now. Type shit. And then yeah, I just did this so that zombies can stand on it and break in. Obviously, I'm gonna get rid of these once I actually put some work into modeling. And then yeah, hell yeah. Put the stairs here, so there's no point in this window. I need to get rid of that. And that's about it. All right. Ridiculous, man. So it's all made by AI. My setup is over here. I use Rojo. I'm just gonna go with my setup in every single video. Rojo is my version control. I just push it to a GitHub repo using GitHub desktop. Yeah, I know I don't know how to use freaking text. I'm so bad. And then MCP server talks directly to Roblox Studio. I use anti-gravity, use codecs and anti-gravity AI agent to just build everything. It maps, not maps. It models, makes 3D models in Blender, uploads it to the creator store using my open cloud API key, and then it puts in the game. I did get a warning though, because I did give it no restraints, no guardrails, like making sure the media uploads follows the guidelines of Roblox. So I made sure to exclude pictures that had words in it for obvious reasons, and then yeah, from there, basically once you talk to codex inside anti-gravity, this entire game like come from it. Just constant iterations. It can even test it on its own. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, so far looks like garbage. The idea is there, the vision is there. Just need to polish it and execute it. All right, get rid of this.